Good morning. The the major grievances continuously pouring before criminal side practitioners are that the complainant is not satisfied about the investigation because some of the accused were left and graver offences were left out. Therefore, we normally file 482 CRPC for change of investigation, and courts are used to pass orders to consider the complaint, and at the time of filing final report they may file appropriate order according to law and investigation. This area facilitate the investigating office, some of investigating office to bargain with the accused party and mint money. But apart from that, there are two other facilitating provisions to get over this grievance. Number one, that you can straight away file private complaint if the charge sheet is filed leaving some of the accused and lesser offences instead of graver offences is framed. Then it is duty of the land magistrate to take evidence of the complainant and try this case along with the sessions case. That is one aspect. Other aspect was, at the time of trial, the PW may depose before the court that some of the accused also involved therein, and grave offences you can impute against the accused. Under those circumstances, the court are bound to include other accused also against whom evidences were given. That is a provision under section 319 CRPC, read with 173 class 8. So many things are there. But one case Supreme Court judgment deals with that. I would like to share with you. But though it is pertaining to the failure on the part of the High Court while deciding the revision, not looked into the other orders, consequential orders passed after impugned order and prior to impugned order. Say case of AR 2021, Supreme Court 683, Ajay Kumar alias Bittu another versus State of Uttarakhand. There they have discussed about how the additional accused were added. You go through the judgment, and facts are not that much of important, casual facts. There was 319 that was not allowed. Then they went to High Court, that was allowed, remanded back. Then again court allowed. This time they have included. Then again went to High Court. Then the Supreme Court has said the High Court was here, then I again remanded back. See the fate of the case, go through the judgment, deeply discussed about the importance of 319 CRPC, how this could be possible. The one concept was introduced in this case. I am much impressed upon that concept. Therefore, I prefer the judgment. That is just the purpose of providing 319 was, if it appears from the evidence that any person not being the accused has committed any offence, it should not be read as for which such person could be convicted. That should not be there. So the court should only should not form any opinion about the guilt of the accused, rather the proposed prima facie material to frame charge. This is what the ratio. Kindly keep it on mind how to deal with the 319 CRPC. Best wishes.